everyone, I'm Sarah of Rich Textures Crochet and welcome. Today we're going to learn how to crochet the boxed bead stitch, which you can see here in front of you. This is a wonderful crochet stitch to work. It creates a fairly solid fabric that is the same on both sides. It has a nice drape, a little bit of stretch to it, and features these textured cluster stitches worked in between, in these center of these little boxes. The stitch is fairly easy to work, so you're going to need a little bit of yarn. I'll be working in the Pima Cotton yarn by Lion Brand. It's a worsted medium weight 100% cotton yarn, as well as a 5mm or an H8 crochet hook. Links to these items are in the description of this video. Also down there in the description you'll find a direct link to the free written instructions, which are on my website at richtexturescrochet.com. So thank you so much for joining me. While you're here, I invite you to take a look around. Don't forget to subscribe. This channel is updated every single week with free crochet patterns and stitch tutorials. For our stitch today, we're going to start by working a foundation chain. We will be working in rows. So begin by making your slip knot. And then by working a foundation chain, your foundation chain today will need to be a multiple of 3 stitches plus 2. So today I'm going to chain 23 stitches. There's 21, which is our multiple of 3. Plus 2 more for 23 stitches. Once you have worked your foundation chain, you're going to start row 1 by working a single crochet into the third chain from your hook. Your starting chain 2 will count as an extended single crochet stitch. So single crochet into that third chain. You're then going to work a single crochet into the next chain. Next, work an extended single crochet into the next chain. To work the extended single crochet, you're going to insert your hook, yarn over, draw up a loop, yarn over and pull through 1 loop on your hook, then yarn over and pull through 2 loops on your hook. That's your extended single crochet stitch. You're then going to work a single crochet into each of the next 2 stitches, followed by an extended single crochet into your next stitch. You're then going to repeat that all the way across. Single crochet into each of the next 2 stitches, and then work an extended single crochet into your next stitch, all the way across to the end of your chain. When you come all the way across at the end of row 1, you're going to chain 2, which once again counts as an extended single crochet, and turn your work. For row 2, you're going to work a double crochet into the next stitch. So you're skipping the stitch at the base of your turning chain, double crochet into the next stitch. You're then going to work a cluster stitch around the post of the double crochet just worked. To work your cluster stitch, which will form your bead, you're going to yarn over, bring your hook in front and insert it around the post of the double crochet just made, yarn over and draw up a loop. You're going to do that a total of 3 times. There's 1, yarn over, insert your hook around the post, yarn over, draw up a loop. For 2, yarn over, insert your hook around the post, yarn over, draw up a loop for 3 times. You're then going to yarn over and draw a loop through the first 6 loops on your hook. You have 2 loops remaining. Yarn over, and draw through the remaining 2 loops. That's your cluster stitch. You're going to skip the next stitch and into your next stitch, which was your extended single crochet, you're going to work another extended single crochet stitch. Now we're going to repeat. Double crochet into your next stitch and work a cluster stitch around the post of the double crochet just made. Skip the next stitch and work an extended single crochet into your next stitch. Repeat double crochet, cluster stitch, skip the next stitch and extended single crochet all the way across to the final stitch. When you come all the way across at the end of row 2, have your final 2 stitches remaining. You have a single crochet and you have that starting chain 2. You're going to skip the single crochet and then into the starting chain 2 work your extended single crochet stitch. Chain 2 and turn your work. For row 3, you're going to work a single crochet into each of the next 2 stitches. So this is into the top of your cluster stitch and into the top of the double crochet. You're then going to work an extended single crochet into the next extended single crochet stitch. Work a single crochet into each of the next 2 stitches and an extended single crochet into the next stitch. You're going to repeat this all the way across, ending with an extended single crochet stitch into your final chain 2. I'm here at my final chain 2. I'm just going to work a final extended single crochet stitch. At the end of that row 3, you can chain 2 and turn your work. Now that's all there is for the repeat in this pattern. You're simply going to repeat rows 2 and 3 for as long as you would like. So row 2 began with the double crochet into the next stitch, followed by that cluster stitch worked around the post of the double crochet just worked. Skip the next stitch and extended single crochet into the next. Double crochet and so forth. So go ahead, repeat rows 2 and 3 for as long as you would like, then fasten off, weave in your ends, and that is how you work this boxed bead stitch. So thank you so much for joining me. Once again, don't forget to subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you again soon. Until then, happy crocheting. Bye.